This is where our stories live. Kapahaka, movies, and shows for everyone. And one app that just got better. Now, with profiles for all the whānau, you get more of what you're into. Now, pause over here, pick up over there. Update the app, sign in, and we'll handle the rest. All you need to decide,
just like Mum used to make,
is what to watch first.
This is home.
Pono mai, the all-new MāORI Plus.
or not sure how the starts occur. There are no verbal commands given to any of those va'a, those canoes up there on the start line. Starting happens solely by different coloured flags. The first flag that we should see going up is a white flag. There are two start lines, not two start lines, there's a pre-start line and the official start line. There's about 15 metres between them. And so, on the white flag, they come up to the pre-start line and pause, waiting for everyone to line up. They should then, a red flag will go up, and that means come up to the official start line. No one is telling them when to stop. It is totally up to each crew to start where they want to start. However, if anyone is over the start line before, as the red flag is up, a black flag will be raised, and again, they're not told who's over the start line. They have to choose for themselves. After a respectable period of time, that if they don't back away, then they will raise the green flag, and that usually means if a black flag is still raised, someone is over the start line, and the usual penalty for that is a big DQ for disqualified. We have a white flag. First race of the day. Here, day number 3. At this, the IVF World Sprint Championships in Singapore. We are getting ready to go. Let's get excited. I'll let you know what race we have and also who's in this particular race once we get that green flag. So they are under starters orders. They're coming up to the pre-start line. We're waiting for a red flag. They're all coming up together nicely, very nicely. There we go. We have a great view out there of them on the water, spread across this race course. The red flag has been raised, so they inch forward slowly to the official start line, and they should all stop. In the past, some crews have tried to get a running start. I don't see the starters allowing that today. We'll wait and see. Hopefully no black flags. Green has been in the international sign for go, 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 as we have a start in our first race of the day of day number 3. It is race number 112, the Master 60 Woman V12 500 metres heat number 1 of 2. In lane 1 we have there No Kotsa Noosa OCC from Australia. In lane 2 it is USA 60.1 from the USA. In lane number 3 it is Canada, Sea Wolf True North Canada. In lane 4 it is 33 Kihei 37G Hawaii. In lane 5 it is there USA 60.3 from the USA. In lane number 4 it is 4 Lanikai 37R from Hawaii. In lane 7 it's Heretonga Waka from Aotearoa, New Zealand. In 8 rounding off this field it's Vitoria Vaabuzios Cabo Frio from Brazil. Here they come. Who gets to that 250 metre mark first? It's looking pretty good out here. In lane number 6, Aotearoa, New Zealand. They come through there first. Out there also on the far side, lane 1, Australia coming up there. Our Cuzzy Bros down here in lane number 8. It is Brazil. Those are the 3 that have got themselves a bit of a lead at this moment in time. There's a blanket covering the rest of them as they have about 200 metres to go. This is only a heat. Look at them go. It is a hot heat. As they come down now, it is about 150 metres to go. It was lane number 7, I believe it is, who come on, lane 6 should I say. It was Hawaii out there. As they come out there, lane 7 we have out there. It is Aotearoa, New Zealand, Brazil on the outside here. Look at them go, Hawaii. It is there, lane 6 there, Hawaii have got the lead. They're pushing strong. Is anyone going to catch them? Over on the far side, it looks like it's Australian second and Aotearoa, New Zealand perhaps are down in third. Here they come. the day. I'm tired already. Up on the start line. Up on the start line there, we have our crew, our paddlers up there. It is the first of our V1 paddlers this morning, and so it is the Paramen VLI, VL1, VL2, and C1, V1 500 metres. It is a straight final. Our next race on the order is a final. Alrighty, we have a green flag. We have a green flag. As Tūtāwaki Rangivaru, who is out there from Tahiti. In lane 6 it is Calvin Warbus from Canada. In lane number 7 it is Daniel Thompson from Great Britain. In 8 it is Leon Kiko Leon from Tonga. Here they come, the 250 metre mark is just there now. Oh my goodness, it is lane number 5, I believe, who has come through there first. We'll just wait and see as they get closer to us. Lane 5, that is Tahiti, that is Tutavake Rangivaru as he comes down there. Once again the lanes, it is Tahiti in 2, it is in 3 Aotearoa New Zealand, in 4 France, in 5 it is Tahiti, in 6 it's Aotearoa New Zealand, in 7 it is Hawaii. But here they come down the race course now. It is in lane number 5, I believe, who's pushing it and getting the lead. It is there to Tavake, and he's being chased though. He is being chased inside him over there in lane 3. Is it perhaps, or lane 2? I think it's lane 3. It is Aotearoa New Zealand, Leon Hudson, as they come home. It is still close, and so they push for home. It is the last 30 metres, whānau, as they come there, and it's looking close on the far side. Who's got up there, has got up there, and he's trying to respond. Tutavak is trying to respond. 2 out there. Is it Antonia? Is it his teammate, or is it Aotearoa New Zealand, Leon Hudson? I can't see the numbers from here, but it is out there. It is lane 3. It is Leon Hudson who just gets up there by a violin from Tahiti. From Tahiti and coming through. Also next in there, it should be France. I think there will be who come up and take that 3rd place. Back to more calls. We have a red-green flag, should I say, out there on the water, and so it is a start indeed on there. It is a start in the next race. It's race number 114, the Master 40 men V1 500 metre heat number 1 of 7. A big division, this one. There's the Master 40 men. In lane 1 it is there Pedro Te Pano Pakarati in lane from Rapa Nui. In lane number 2 it is Felipe Mazur from Brazil. In lane number 3 Terence Ong at Singapore. And 4 it is there Terence Leong from USA. In 5 it is Hey Manaturi from Tahiti. In lane number 6 it is Calvin Warbers from Canada. In lane 7 it is Daniel Thompson from Great Britain. And rounding up this field in lane number 8 it is Kiko Leon from Tonga. Here we go as they start to come up to the halfway mark. It is lane number 5 from Tahiti. Hey Manaturi has Aotearoa. It's got about a 2 Waka lead on the rest of this field as the rest of them cross that halfway mark. Look at him go, middle of the race course. That is impressive indeed. It would be in lane 5 from Tahiti. Hey Manaturi, who's chasing up though. It's out there also that in lane 2 it is Singapore. Felipe Mazura is coming up there also, who's pushing hard as we go across and just check it out there. They have 100 odd meters to go now, and so he's still pushing. It is still in the lead. Hey Manaturi, who has got up there, who's got a chase up going there in lane 2 perhaps from Brazil. It is Felipe coming out behind them and just inside from the USA, Terence Leon in lane number 4. But let's focus on the front. There's 2 up front at the moment, but only 1 in the lead. And it is Hey Manaturi, who are from Tahiti, who's coming up with 15 meters to go. Put your hands together for our winner in this particular heat. Hey Manaturi from Tahiti. We are under starters orders. White flag up at the 500-meter start line. Our next race on the water. We'll get through them. It is on 115, the Master 60 woman, V12 500-meter heat 2 of 2. Lane 1, it is Aotearoa, New Zealand. Lane 2, Australia. Lane 3, Brazil. Lane 4, it is Aotearoa, New Zealand. Lane 5 is Hawaii. Lane 6 is Canada. Lane 7, the USA. Lane 8, it is Australia. That's how they line up in this particular heat. Again, this is heat 2. 115, race 150. Red flag. Here they come. Black flag is up. That means someone